Chanakya, welcome on stage.
Absolutely, I think that's the right introduction. हमारे घर का आदमी.
Follow by. Good evening.
पहले दो programs किसने attend किए? So fairly, I know there's a gap in between because I was traveling a little bit. Thanks Paresh bhai, because you know he keeps pushing कि आ रहे ना. So हाँ, अभी तो दिसंबर तक का calendar block कर लिया है. So no problems. The only thing is that I had to come from Baroda today, so took a little bit of a time. Interestingly, I came to Baroda from Baroda only for this session. Tomorrow morning 5:30 again to Goa and coming back. So this is a family, absolutely. घर पे आके अपने family के साथ समय बिताना अच्छा लगता है.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so before we get into this, and I was so happy that we're discussing about the police and the law and the raids. I tell you something interesting. Have you ever seen out from the other side of it? If you have been on the police team, have you ever felt like a policeman? We'll organize a session for you. We were in Chandigarh, part of the International Yoga Day. Actually, we conducted raids. हर एक आदमी को उठा के अंदर डाला. It was very fun, yeah. So this whole thing about International Yoga Day, of course, 21st June was the big thing. But before that, around a week or two ago, we were in Chandigarh where we did a program. And as a part of the government machinery. So the IAS officers and all were together. Actually, there was a person whom we picked up right in the night. रात को 2 बजे उसको घर से उठा के ले, कुछ तो काम नहीं किया, गवर्नमेंट का काम नहीं किया. We got the work done. It's very fun, huh? Actually, if you are on the police side. But एक चीज आपको बताता हूँ, this side or that side, you have to abide to the law. Even policemen have to abide to law, right? So I think that was a very crux message. That never be afraid of law, because unfortunately, we are supposed to feel very safe when we see a police. है ना? We are supposed to feel very safe when we see a police, not get afraid. यहाँ पे उल्टा होता है. The criminals feel safe when they're in police. ये अपना ही आदमी है. A lot of people who are actually criminals in uniform. So you know, somewhere, sometime we should invite Shivanandan sir to address your group, who is a policeman. I've written a book with him, you know, Chanakya 7 Secrets of Leadership. So I would say, don't be afraid. But you know, I'll tell you, डर के आगे जीत है. Whenever that thing comes, 2 मिनट के लिए pause लो. वो react मत करना. That pause will give you the direction क्या करना है. First thing is that never get afraid and don't react. It could be as you rightly suggested, 100 dial कर दो. Ask for the warrant and all that. But they will still try to show you, know. Wait, आराम से, cool. Let it settle down. आराम से tackle हो सकता है. Okay, anytime there is a problem, 100. I think that's the safest tip to do. It doesn't take much time, but it goes on record. Okay, so let's proceed to our topic. And today is my most favorite topic. What is the pillar that we're going to take today? Well, good. I'm so happy. After the break also we remember. So go again. 7 pillars. Hello. I think I'll use this. Huh? 7 pillars. Remember? Swami Amatya Janapada Durga Kosha Dandamitra Iti Prakritiya. We have seen Swami. We have seen Amatya. Now we come to the third one, which is Janapada. So king, the minister, the country, the fortified city, the treasury, the army and the ally are the constituent elements of the state or business. So we said in business, there has to be a leader, there has to be managers. We spoke a lot on what a manager should do. Now we come to Janapada, which are your client customers. And very important topic. Next we'll see Durga Kosha Dandamitra as the days progress. I want to do a little bit of a thinking today. मैं ये नहीं बताऊंगा कि customer client के साथ कैसे behave करना है. What I want to do as a first exercise right now is to understand your attitude towards customer. Customer क्या है वो बाद में देखेंगे. Customer को कैसे इकट्ठा करना है वो बाद में देखेंगे. But let me ask you a few questions and you have to be honest about it, okay? आपका attitude towards customer क्या है? So पहला प्रश्न, पहला सवाल, my first question is, how many of you believe customer is the king? You don't have to be right or wrong. What do you believe? And there is nothing called as a right or wrong answer. It is your belief. How many of you believe customer is the king? How many of you don't believe it? Customer is not the king. Customer may be the king. Okay? It's very important to understand this, that customer, according to the Chanakya model, is not the king because you are the king. Swami enough. Now next question, let's go a little bit deeper. Is customer a very important part of the business?
Yes.
Do you accept that? Can a business exist without a customer client?
No.
Yes. Is he a king?
No.
I don't know. I mean, you have to decide at the end of this program. So there is an assumption that customer is the king. Actual reality is that you are the king. But are you dependent on the customer? Yes. But you know, this is where the fine thing starts, is that हर व्यक्ति को अपना जगह पता होना चाहिए. Customer is the king or no, we will see how we diagnose it. But the thing is that there is one important thing that we will see today, and I am sure all of you must have also believed this and seen this. There are good customers and bad customers, isn't it? Are there good customers and bad customers? Yes. So it is not necessary that customer, all of them are good. You are dependent on it. Some of them are not really good. Will you be happy if the customer doesn't pay you? Will you be happy? सर्विस ज़्यादा दे दिया, उसके बाद follow up outstanding. Businesses have closed down because of customers. Okay, let me tell you that. Isn't it true?
Yes.
The same way businesses have been built by customers, wrong customers have killed your businesses. Isn't it true?
Yes.
Now you decide, is customer the king or no? And that's why we have to slowly, little bit of a go psychologically. But before I go into that, let me ask you a few questions, because when you talk about customer, there are many, many words that are connected. For example, marketing, customer service, branding. ये सब सुना है ना? What we need to understand is that whichever size of the company, we still will be related to it. Initially, sales and marketing were considered two different things, isn't it? And is there a difference between sales and marketing? There is, of course there is. Sales का एक ही काम होता है, जाओ बेच के आओ. Marketing का काम क्या होता है? Is marketing sales?
No. Support.
Exactly. So these are finer things. As your company grows, you will see the difference between the two. Initially, everything has to be done together, isn't it? Sales and marketing is one and the same. But marketing and sales are two different things. Tell me, what is branding? I was told that Sunil, one of my friends, also did a session on branding. You remember? Sunil ne kiya tha, nahi? Yes, Sunil Agarwal, of course. What is branding? Identity, exactly. So when you look at this particular word today, which is Janapada, you'll be surprised that there are various dimensions that you can think through. आज हम लोग वही करेंगे. Okay, let me ask another question. Suppose you are the king, a market leader of a particular market. Bombay में we are the kings. Is there a guarantee that if you go to another market or another geographical region, you will equally succeed? Possible? Not necessarily. For example, I know of a few builders who are very, very good in building big structures, towers, colonies, complexes in Bombay, but absolutely failed when they got out of Bombay. है कि नहीं? यहाँ पे किंग है, पर बाहर जाने के टाइम नहीं वर्क हो रहा है. They have decided कि I don't want to go out of Bombay. जो भी है यहीं पे करेंगे, 4 प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे लेकिन यहीं पे करेंगे. But does that thumb rule stand for everybody? No, some people succeed in Bombay also, and Bangalore also, and Afghanistan also. McDonald's succeeds worldwide? Of course they do. And of course, some of them are also closed down. No? The fact is that every time we look at into sales, marketing, customer service, interestingly is that what works for your company may not work for other company. हम सबसे सीख सकते हैं, लेकिन with experience हमको ये महसूस होना चाहिए. We have to understand what works for us, isn't it? Every particular company and its relation with the customer is always unique. हम दूसरों का सीख सकते हैं, but it is not necessary कि उसने किया तो हम भी करेंगे तो succeed होंगे. देखो, in the same family, if they are identical twins, उनका patterns अलग होता है, isn't it true? They are identical twins, लेकिन उनका खाने का, the way they think, the way they interact. So one of the things before I go into customer market is that you need to look at yourself, and especially all of your senior people, look at the past and look at what has worked for you. Okay? क्योंकि ऐसे नहीं आप बोल सकते कि उसने किया तो मैं भी करूंगा. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको वो नहीं करना है, बट पहली बात ये है कि get your foundations very clear. What has worked for me? Full stop. then I'm ready to experiment. New ideas, new techniques, but never ever change your foundations of sales and marketing. Okay, so let me give you an example. Your customer, client, your market, whatever you may say. The third pillar is where, I'm putting it very symbolically, your area of operation. ये हमारे clients हैं. You basically dominate this territory and would like to keep your monopoly in this segment. In the sense, if you have a customer, would you ever like the customer to go away? Would you ever like that? No. But एक बात बताइए, is it 100% possible that the customer will always stick to you? No. He also has got a choices, right? So what I'm saying is that we need to somewhere sit down and analyze with ourselves, do an exercise with ourselves. आप अपने कंपनी में बैठ के एक दिन सोचिए कि what has worked for me and what has not worked for me. Do you know where the difference comes in? The difference is that after every 5 years, 5 years तो शायद ज़्यादा ही बोल रहा हूँ, sometimes 2 to 3 years में, the customer expectations change. Your goods and services and deliveries also change, isn't it? Technology comes in, isn't it? So one is that your past will give you an idea of what has worked for your customer. At the same time, you should be ready for adaptation of change as things go ahead. So let me ask you another question. How many of you feel that facing the customer and relation building is important in client servicing? Facing the customer, एक बार तो मोड़ दिखाना चाहिए ना. और client servicing face to face बात नहीं करोगे तो धंधा नहीं होगा. Right? And I'll tell you, the world's biggest companies never face their customers face to face. Google का कौन सा executive के साथ आपने deal किया है? You understand? Now what I'm not telling that Google के marketing guys आएंगे नहीं, but among the millions or maybe billions of people who use Google services, have you done any payment to Google? Any services you have used? Okay. How much face-to-face customer interaction was there? Zero. And by the way, it's working fine, huh? You make a payment to them, isn't it? Online. Facebook, anybody use their services? You paid Facebook? On what basis? On what trust? Interestingly, technology companies don't believe in customer service. They believe in technology that will help customer service. What difference, yeah? Again, I'm not comparing apples to oranges. What works for you works for you. What doesn't work for you, what doesn't work for you. But what I'm saying, एक अपने को यहाँ से आज जाने के time, wherever 8:30 when we go from here, we need to understand that we need to derive a model with our customers and clients which works for us, and that is always going to be unique. तो आज हम लोग क्या करेंगे? चाणक्य ने क्या कहा अपने लोगों के लिए? राजा को क्या कहा कि राजा की भी प्रजा होती है ना, and without प्रजा you can't be a राजा. बराबर है? But what should be the attitude of a king towards his janapada? In the same way, what should be the attitude of a businessman towards his clients? Very fine hoga. And when I read it for the first time, I was very surprised. Because a king will have various types of praja, right? कोई अच्छे है, कोई बुरे हैं, कोई criminals है, कोई संत है. All of you must have also got this feeling, जो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. When you sometimes walk into a customer's office, you may have gone for making a sales pitch. And they actually give an advance without you expecting. होता है कि नहीं होता है? हम बोले कि एक pitch हो गया, दो pitch हो गया, third में close होएगा. होता है कि नहीं होता? But what happens? You discover कि ठीक है आपका advance लेके जाओ. हुआ है कभी? And the other way extremely उल्टा. आपने क्या expect किया? आज दे देगा. हो बड़े बड़े कंपनियां हैं सर. 6 महीना रखड़ाते हैं कि नहीं? So today's whole objective is to understand customer psychology. हर कस्टमर अलग होता है, हर बिजनेस अलग होता है, हर प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज अलग होते हैं. बट इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू डील विद दोज कस्टमर्स एट अ साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल, यू विल सक्सीड. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट विद अ कंपनी which was doing very, very bad as far as sales recoveries were concerned. I know this managing director. It's a very famous pharma company and very well established brand. ना बहुत बड़ा brand था वो. But what happened is that the previous sales guy built a strong relation with all the distributors but could never recover money. है ना? माल तो दे दिया. उसके बाद outstanding. And suddenly a point came where the business was going so down, the management had to decide to chuck him and they got him a new guy. Very big brand, and the brand was not getting profitable, the company was not getting profitable only for one reason, that he actually overbuilt customer relationship and the customers took him for granted. बराबर, कस्टमर सर्विस तो कर रहा था वो, पर वहां पे जाके चाय पीता था, हो करता था, चेक सर, व्हाट अबाउट द पेमेंट, हाँ देंगे ना साहब, देंगे ना साहब. You know what the next guy did? Interestingly, his only priority was to clean up the outstandings. Only priority was to clean up the outstanding. उसने अपने पहले आते सेल्स लोगों को बोल दिया, listen sir जी one thing. अभी से जो आउटस्टैंडिंग है वो तो देना ही देना है, आगे का मेरे को एडवांस देना, बाद में माल सप्लाई होएगा. एक महीना there was a complete lose of confidence even in the sales guys. पहले का तो पेमेंट दिया नहीं है, वो तो लेना ही है, पर आगे का माल जो है ना उसका भी एडवांस लेना है. Do you think the customers will agree? Do you think the customers will agree? Initially no, but also depends on your confidence. Huh? That guy actually did it. Okay, nahi dena. I'm very clear. For me, customer service is good, but today my priority of my business is outstanding to be cleared. Very clear. एक महीना झटका लगा, but remember the brand was so big that the distributors के customer पूछा माल किधर है. And in 6 months time, the company became cash positive. The company became cash positive and business only grew. Sometimes the sales strategy depends on the human being who's handling the sales and marketing. Huh? It is not necessarily the brand. Great brand can be spoiled and small brands can be profitable also if you know the customer psychology. अब थोड़े बात करते हैं industries के. How many of you believe that there are industries, services and businesses where you take the money 100% in advance and you give the sales and services later on? पहले 100% advance. ऐसे industries हैं? कौन से? Insurance, okay? Education, exactly. और? Car companies. Theaters. Hospitals. Tourism. Tourism is a fantastic industry. अगर कोई tourism जैसा model देख लेना, आप समझो, if you are going to book a ticket for let's say plane or a train, सर्विस पहले देता है कि पैसे पहले देते हो? They are very, very profitable. And you know what? Indigo, the so-called successful model, we had a very long meeting with the CFO. I was telling very clearly, customer service सब ठीक है, but cash flows are important. Therefore, I am telling, as we are coming closer and closer and closer, the real crux of a successful business is customer service, good marketing, good sales, but. Very key thing about business is cash flow management, even with the customer. वो एक बार दोनों balance आ गया, you'll be always profitable. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk about a few things Chanakya said about good Janapada or bad Janapada. And I'll start with an example. You know who this guy is? This great person is? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. According to me, he was a fantastic branding guy. He knew customer psychology. He knew exactly in that generation what works with people and what doesn't work with people. You know, marketing starts with market research. ये आपने सुना? And if you are more progressive, then you will have some, researcher, marketing agencies will do it for you. गांधी जी कौन सा कपड़ा डाल रहे हैं? खादी, धोती. Couldn't he afford a nice dress? Yes. In fact, it is reverse engineering. गांधी जी जितना young थे, सूट बूट में थे. आपने देखा उनके photographs? He chose to wear a dhoti. Why? Exactly, because he knew what he was representing. You are the brand. Huh? So Gandhi ji, by choice, but he did a lot of market research in that sense. He went all around India. आपने सुना है ना वो? Gandhi movie देखिए. He understood the real problem of his people. He went to their houses, he stayed with them, understood them and said, oh my goodness. If Gandhi ji broke his biggest competitor, the British Empire, it is not because he knew how to fight. No, he never knew how to fight. But he understood what my people's requirements are. He went into the masses and realized, oh my goodness. And you may be already aware of this, Gandhiji's super success was not just the freedom fight, but he broke the economic model of Britain. पता है आपको? The charkha, I think one of the greatest marketing symbols, was the biggest thing that he played. You know, charkha was a symbol of small scale industry. When he went into the rural, when he went to not only the dress, he understood that the strength of India is 6 lakh villages. याद है? हमें छोटे छोटे कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज थे, उनको ग्लोबलाइजेशन ने खा गए. रिमेंबर ऑल दैट मैनचेस्टर एंड ऑल दो स्टोरीज, द फैक्ट्रीज आर टेकिंग ओवर. तो नहीं, वी नीड टू कीप द इकोनॉमी इन आवर प्लेस. सो गांधी जी कपड़ा तो डाल रहे हैं, बट ही न्यू दैट समवेयर इट इज आल्सो रिलेटेड टू द फाइनेंस पार्ट ऑफ इट, द इकोनॉमिक पार्ट ऑफ इट. And by the way, he was not a great speaker, but he was a fantastic communicator. There's a difference between great speeches and great communication. Great speeches sometimes may not have stuff. ना कुछ हाँ मजा आ गया वाह वाह, बाद में आके क्या तुझने बोला यार, पता ही नहीं चला. और तो गांधी जी का अगर आप स्पीचेस सुनोगे क्लियर भी नहीं होता है, यू नो, इट इज नॉट वेरी कुछ नहीं है, बट ही हैड डेप्थ. एक बार बोलते थे 2 वर्ड्स, क्विट इंडिया, बस हो गया. एंड नो व्हाट्सएप, नो इंटरनेट, न्यूज़पेपर भी हार्डली 3-4 दिन के बाद पहुंचते थे. दिस मैन हैड अ पल्स ऑफ व्हाट वर्क्स इन द कंट्री. क्या आपको अपने कस्टमर के पल्स पता है? वो कहते हैं ना, मैं जब भी पहला बार धंधा करने उतरा था तो मेरे एक बिजनेस गुरु ने बोला, उसका पेट कहां दुखता है ये पहले समझ लो. कस्टमर का, राइट? एंड यू मे नो दिस, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू गिव अ लेक्चर ऑन मार्केटिंग. आप तो सब मार्केटिंग वाले हो. We never sell a product or a service. We solve some problem of the customer. Isn't it true? We never sell a product or a service. We actually sell a solution through the product or the service. So if you're selling a product, what is important is to understand that usko uski zarurat hai kya. There is some marketing theory, wo kehte hain na, the great salesman is the one who sells ice to a Eskimo. सुना है आपने? हिमालय में जाके बर्फ बेच के आएगा. एक बार बेचोगे सर, 2 बार बेचोगे, तीसरा बार बेच पाओगे? उल्लू बनाना ठीक है, उसको नहीं बोलते ब्रांड बिल्डिंग. एक बार करोगे, 2 बार करोगे. देयर आर पीपल हु बिलीव कि ठीक है ना, एक बार इसको उल्लू बनाया, दूसरा बार उसको उल्लू बनाता हूं, उसमें क्या है? उल्लू तो बन रहा है ना, मेरा काम हो रहा है ना. No. What is important is that it's very important to understand there is some area in that customer which is lacking. And all successful models in every industry, every company is successful because they knew what is the problem today, or they understood what is the coming problem of the future. That's why one of the greatest marketing guys, according to me, of this generation has been Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs never believed in marketing research, even though I personally believe. So sometimes the customer doesn't know what he wants. Do you know this? I decide what the customer should take from me. किसी ने रिसर्च किया था आईफोन ऐसा होना चाहिए, कोई रिसर्च नहीं था. He believed this is what the customer wants. So sometimes you have to solve the problem of a customer, of a company through your product or services, or give him a product or a services which sometimes is created by you and he'll become used to it. सोचने की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, कोई एक्सेप्ट करने की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, because you need to think from various dimensions. This field called marketing, sales and branding, so many dimensions to it. So let me start with one thing. Film industry का सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज एज फार एज कस्टमर्स आज क्या है? एनी आइडिया? Piracy. Okay. Anything else? Success rate. Okay. Theaters. Do you know what is the demand of good quality multiplexes in rural India, town to cities? Piracy definitely है ही. Today, how many of you go to those same theaters जो हम बचपन में जाते थे? नहीं ना? And let me tell you, even today, the experience of going to a theater cannot be replaced by watching it on a laptop or this. मैं ये नहीं कहता हूँ कि watch नहीं करना है. हो सकता है 2 महीने में एक बार आप जाए, isn't it? 2 बार. Let me tell you this, statistically, because I work with the film industry very closely, Bahubali Part 2 is already a super duper hit. Isn't it true? Yeah. And let me tell you, even piracy cannot kill it. Because it's not something that you'll still watch on a laptop or this. But you know what Bahubali, बता रहे थे कि मेरा problem है कि I can't have more than whatever 500-600 screens in India. Isn't it? That experience of Bahubali has to be in a large screen, isn't it? It's a 3D movie. कितना आप देखोगे? So Salman Khan put it very nicely. I don't really like him, but you know sometimes he's insightful. उसी इंडस्ट्री का आदमी है ना, एक्सपीरियंस से कुछ ना कुछ तो बात करता है. होता है कि कभी-कभी ना हमारे इंडस्ट्री में इन्वेस्टमेंट जो आते हैं ना, See, Bollywood is one of the greatest industries. यहाँ से investments जो आते हैं, we are still not able to capitalize the biggest pain area of our mass market. And that mass marketing is actually in the rural areas. गांव में आप जाओगे, उन लोग बड़े शहर में जाके movies देखते हैं, पता है आपको? They'll go to a town 2, town 3. So I want to tell you, रजनीकांत का एक movie आ रहा है, पता है आपको? This latest movie coming in. Kabali. Have you received the marketing strategies of Kabali? Very interesting. Anyone if keeps a track of it. Those people did a marketing research. Okay? Those people did a marketing research and they found रजनीकांत का मार्केट तो है ही. रजनीकांत का मार्केट तो है ही. And let me tell you, there is something about रजनीकांत first day first show. पता है आपको? और वो थिएटर में ही देखना है. First day first show and then they say तमिलनाडु जैसे जगह में आप जाओगे, गरीब से गरीब आदमी 1-1, 2-2 रुपया करके 100-100 रुपया करके जमा करता है रजनीकांत फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो देखना, गरीब आदमी भी. That's the craze around it. So they put some MBAs and they started doing market research and they say, okay, ये तो सब लोग देखने ही वाले हैं. But if from 0 to 10, people will see it naturally. What can we do through market research and understanding our own clients that instead of making the movie 0 to 10, which will be a natural organic part of it, how can we make it from 0 to 100 on day 1? And they started doing some research. And interestingly, they did something very fantastic. You know, they found out that some of the biggest clients who can pay for the madness of Rajnikant are not necessarily in Tamil Nadu. They are in Bangalore. They are in Kerala. And they are in some places across India. Do you know a lot of people in South India have migrated out of South India? The first day first show देखना है तो 7,000 रुपए का टिकट बुक किया. कितना? 7,000 रुपए का. There is an option of actually watching the movie at 22,000. 22,000. You know what they have done? They actually tied up with airlines. Bangalore, you go to that particular Chennai, उसका आने जाने का खर्चा, पॉपकॉर्न वो एक रात को रुकना है, they're tied up with the hotel. Only एक दिन का business, huh? Single day business, first day first show. So आप वहाँ पे pirated 1,000 रुपए का लो, 200 रुपए का लो, that's a different thing. They made packages around it, it's all floating around. If you can get a chance to see it, actually say 7,000 rupees. ट्रेन में लेके जाएंगे या फिर बस बुक होगा बैंगलोर से. The whole software engineers, they will go into the bus, थिएटर में जाएंगे, खाना खाएंगे, वापस आके छोड़ेंगे. रात को रुकना है, स्पेशल पैकेज. I want you to try this out. You know, in Bombay, there is this particular company called what is that? Book My Show. ऐसा कुछ है ना? South में there is a company which is bigger than Book My Show. You know which is that company? It's a big company. है. हम लोग यहाँ पे बैठ के अपना दुनिया का देखते हैं. It is called meraevents.com. सुना है कभी इसने? It's a huge company. They have rolled out this idea. I know the managing director. बोलता हम तो हमेशा देखते बैठते हैं. एक ही दिन का धंधा है. एक दिन का धंधा है. They booked all the theaters. They booked all the आजू-बाजू के theaters, popcorn का rate, and we're selling packages. And I know, उसके बाद तो movie flop भी हो गए तो we have made our monies. Please understand that same customer, if you can give him a delight, he can pay for you more than what you can expect. And same customer, if you can't delight, I'll be showing you some videos about some of the greatest marketing gurus of our particular country and living gurus. I'll show that later, but let's complete the Chanakya part of it first. So let's look at the qualities of great customers or great marketing or great Janpada. The first one is strong position in center and frontiers. देखो एक राजा का जो प्रजा होता है ना, he should know how they are thinking, how they are behaving. It will spend a lot of time. In the same way, how much understanding you have of a customer. Many people have this idea and nothing wrong that customer के साथ जितना directly time spend करते हो, you understand how they think. Isn't it true? बात करो, समझो. But Google has done something उल्टा. Without even meeting you once, they have actually tracked your analytics. कि आपका behavioral pattern क्या है, isn't it? Every click that you have has been documented. And interestingly, looking at your pattern, they offer you services. आपने देखा ये बात? And it's very surprising that they automated to such an extent that the only subject they are working on is customer psychology. At one end is the customer database, which will be million, billions. At the other end is the people who want to sell it. How many of you believe that Google is a king, an emperor in that space? And one expert came and told me, no, Google is not a king. Google is a king maker. Isn't it true? If you want to sell a product, get together Google, understand the market. They will exactly give you that one customer. And there was an academic research that was done. Google, Facebook versus newspaper and television. आपको पता है? If you ever tried a newspaper ad or a television ad or a radio ad, is there any guarantee that you will be able to reach the right customer? आपके न्यूज़पेपर 5 लाख लोग पढ़ते हैं, कितना कन्वर्जन गारंटी कर सकते हैं? कितना कन्वर्जन गारंटी कर सकते हैं क्या? नो, वो बोलेगा हम तो रीच कर सकते हैं, they'll make the money. But do you know, if you put an ad on Facebook, they will not only reach the customer, they'll reach the right customer who wants your product. The chances of failures through a business analytical model of a Google or a Facebook is very, very high rate of conversions. Huh? So let me give an example. If you have to put an ad, let's say I have to put an ad in Google saying that there is a product or a service related to Chanakya. मैंने डाला, okay? And it is so low priced that they will be able to reach 10,000 people in the Google or the Facebook area where people already have searched the keyword called Chanakya, isn't it? एक बार चाणक्य, they have the analytics से कितना बार चाणक्य देखा, फिर लिंक करके 22 minutes this guy has seen Chanakya, what are his choices, कौन सा YouTube में कितना मिनट का वीडियो देखा. So we have to pull, let's say मेरा book अगर मेरे को बेचना है, they guarantee you that 380 rupees में, and I've tried this, 380 rupees में you can actually reach 10,000 minimum people. 10,000? No, no, still. Thank you. Thank you. 380 rupees mein, they guarantee you that they will reach 10,000 people. And interestingly, if they don't reach, they don't take money from you. They don't take money from you. I saw this last time I done something, so conversion rate utna hua nahi. They said, we have not promised, delivered what we promised. We're not going to take money from you. Even that paid in credit card, वापस आ गया. What is the model? They exactly understand customer psychology कि क्या उनका सोचता है. आपका product exactly वहाँ पे जाता है. In newspaper it's a great brand. Top में आ गया, सबको दिख गया. In conversion की guarantee नहीं है. I'm not telling don't use newspaper ad or only use Google ad or a Facebook ad. No, what I'm trying to tell is that today there are methods to reach your customer to the right person at the right time. But हम कभी उस पे ध्यान ही नहीं देते. So please follow your traditional methods of marketing and sales and relation building. But remember there is a newer world out over there, which need not be on the same rules of marketing and sales that was done in the past. Without looking at your customer, without knowing your customer face to face, just by knowing his psychology, you can create some of the biggest companies of this world. Search engines, yeah, whatever. So let's start by saying that, have you understood your customer? Do you know how your customer thinks? What are his demands? How do you collate it? How do you understand? वो आपके ऊपर है. You can use tools. You can have one-to-one meetings. I know very, very big people who always believe that ठीक है, ये सब technology, social media सब ठीक है, but I need to spend my time with the customers face to face. And he says, I know of a chairman of an Indian multinational company, बोलता है, my time is spent only on 3 things. Meeting my core management team, जो reviews वगैरह होते हैं ना, अमात्य, उनके साथ. Then spending time with the experts, जो उनके subject experts है, guru है, उनके साथ. And the third is spending time with the customer. So you need to understand, are you able to judge what your customers' changing demands are, current demands are, etc., etc. तो उस पे थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए. Second, very important, capable of sustaining the times of distress. ये तो पुलिस की बात कर रहे थे ना. It was not about policing, it was not about raid, it was not about piracy. It was about a feeling called as fear. Isn't it true? हमको पता है, कभी कभी हमारे कस्टमर्स के बारे में हमको भी पता नहीं होता. That is where we miss the point. और कहीं ना कहीं हम डर जाते हैं, कि बाहर वाला आके हमारा कस्टमर को लेके जाएगा. Your customer believes in you, but you may not be aware that the customer believes in you. आप समझ रहे हो? हमारा डर रहता है छोड़ के जाएगा तो. So let me give you, I think a 10 or a 15-year-old example. When India opened out to the global market, FDI and all those things, there were some market leaders, absolute market leaders in the soft drinks industry. Gold Spot याद है आपको? Thumbs Up याद है आपको? Thrill, all these remember? बड़े बड़े बोलो. And then दो giant आ गए, एक कोका कोला और एक पेप्सी. उनका क्या है? What is the strategy? Mergers and acquisition, right? तो हमारे पार्ले यहीं पे विले पार्ले में ही है. पार्ले owned brands like Thumbs Up and Gold Spot. Limca, absolutely. And डर जाते हैं ना हम, छोटे इंडिया तो भी वो आया, मतलब इंडिया छोटा नहीं है. स्ट्रैटेजी इज दैट बाइट आउट, फिर प्राइस पे खेलेंगे, वो खेलेंगे, और हमारी इंडियन कंपनी टिपिकल डर गई. ओके, दिस इज द ऑफर. व्हाट इज द ऑफर? टेक दिस मच, विल बाय यू आउट एंड द प्रोडक्ट इज आवर्स. ठीक है, डील हो गया. याद है आपको सबको? गोल्ड स्पॉट का क्या हो गया? किल्ड. गोल्ड स्पॉट इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय फैंटा एंड दूसरा कॉम्पिटिटर मिरिंडा. गोल्ड स्पॉट खत्म हो गया. अब ये सोचता है ठीक है यार, पैसा तो मिल गया ना. बट समथिंग हैपेंड. डू यू नो दे वांटेड टू किल गोल्ड स्पॉट आल्सो बाय रिप्लेसिंग इट बाय कोका कोला. काला ही है ना दोनों. समझो, थम्स अप बाय कोका कोला, राइट? दोनों काला ही है. और दूसरा अपना कॉम्पिटिटर पेप्सी. द वॉर हैज टू बी बिटवीन पेप्सी एंड कोक. दे हैव टू किल थम्स अप. यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड इंटरेस्टिंगली? पेप्सी और कोक के झगड़े में, who actually won? Thumbs Up. Because what Coca-Cola thought is that if I were to kill or eliminate Thumbs Up out of the business, Coca-Cola का market share बढ़ेगा. Natural ना? मेरा कस्टमर है जो Thumbs Up पीता है, बराबर है? उसको रिप्लेस करके मैं ही कंपनी दूसरा प्रोडक्ट देता हूं, which is called Coca-Cola. तो मेरा मार्केट शेयर इसको बंद करने से बढ़ने की जगह में the Pepsi was taking away that market share. You know what happened? Actually this बाद में उनको रियलाइज हुआ कि इंडिया में थम्स अप पीने वाला सबसे बड़ा जो इंडस्ट्री है, जो क्लाइंट है, कस्टमर है, वो कौन है पता है? बियर बार में बैठने वाले. बिकॉज वो मिक्स करने के टाइम उनको थम्स अप वाला वो स्ट्रॉन्ग चाहिए. रिमेंबर, कोका कोला डजंट कम एज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ड्रिंक. जो पीते हैं उनको पता होगा. Suddenly they realized that the competitor is taking away. You know what they did? The market share, उन्होंने वापस Thumbs Up को रिवाइव किया. And you know who the brand ambassadors are? Salman Khan, Akshay Kumar. Strong. And then something interesting happened. हमारे पार्ले वाले उनको लगा ये तो क्या हो गया. ठीक है, पैसा मिल गया. देखो भैया, एक बात पर मान ले, पैसा इज नॉट इनफ. यू वांट टू डू सम एक्टिविटी ना. आप इस इंडस्ट्री के राजा थे, किंग्स थे, कुछ तो करना है. एंड दिस वन ऑफ द मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्ले ने मेरे को बताया, देखो अगर आप कोई चीज में बहुत अच्छे हो ना, इवन इफ यू गेट मनी यू वांट टू कीप डूइंग समथिंग. लकीली दे हैड एन अरेंजमेंट वेयर दे कांट गेट इनटू द बिजनेस ऑफ द सेम लाइन फॉर द नेक्स्ट 15 ईयर. ऐसा कुछ तो था उनका एग्रीमेंट. बट दे स्टार्टेड फोकसिंग ऑन द वाटर मार्केट एंड बिलीव मी, दे वर द किंग्स. बिस्लरी, द फोकस कंप्लीटली ऑन बिस्लरी. वाटर मार्केट में नंबर 1 कौन है? बिस्लरी इन इंडिया, एब्सोल्युटली. एंड देन उन लोग अपना किनली बेच रहे हैं, लेकिन किंग कौन सा है? बिस्लरी, राइट? अ ब्रांड दैट गॉट क्रिएटेड. एंड नाउ लास्ट ईयर समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग हैपेंड. दैट 10 or 15 years term has got ended. पता है आपको? And now Parle is coming in a very big way in all that original products but with a different name. Thrill तो गया ना? पता है आपको? Pina Cola, all that something. There's a complete thing happening, and believe me, now I'll tell you something very interesting. They are going to pump in money for the next 7 years. आपने पिया भी नहीं होगा. But नहीं. We have realized that what works with India. We understood the customer. We took it for granted that the customer, just because a foreign company is going to come, they're going to just take over. No, हमारा Thumbs Up आज भी जिंदा है. Isn't it true? So then, yes, we know how to create Thumbs Up. Can we create another one? They're building a brand because they understand the customers. Never misunderstand your own capability of understanding your customers. Because वो बड़ा आ गया ना, उसका पैसा है नहीं. और आपको एक बात बताऊं, वेरी सिंपल स्ट्रेटजी. कस्टमर को ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होता है. हम बहुत ज्यादा पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं ना, बहुत ओवर भी करते हैं. They want simple things. Samta has to be strong and chilled. Bas. Isn't it true? And reasonably priced. And reasonably priced, right? And I'll tell you something very interesting. Please start studying Indian companies about marketing and sales. And believe me, you'll get so much insights. हमारा problem क्या है कि we take the examples of foreign companies. Nothing wrong. उनसे भी सीखो. लेकिन अपने से सीखने को बोल जाते हैं ना. तो मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा example of a greatest marketing campaign ever, which has also gone into the Guinness Book of World Record, is Amul. Amul market king, undisputed, हाँ? और इतना बड़ा king कि सामने वाले को दया माया पे छोड़ देता है. If they decide to take over, because एक आपको बता दो, there is this managing director, Mr. Sood. सुना है आपने? I would suggest that आपको जब भी टाइम मिले तो YouTube पे जाके managing director of Amul उनका lectures देखे. Very nice human being, very Mr. Sood, absolutely brilliant man. उसने बहुत सारे उनके मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज के बारे में बात किया. वो बोला वेरी सिंपल, अमूल डजंट बिलीव इन स्पेंडिंग मनी ऑन ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स. है कि नहीं? हमारा ब्रांड एम्बेसडर कौन है? 50 साल पहले जो वही है. कौन? पोल्का डॉट वाला कार्टून गर्ल. देखा आपने? इट इज वर्किंग, क्यों चेंज करो? पेप्सी का क्या होता है, हर साल नया कोई एक्टर लेके आने का, उसमें थीम लेके आने का, वो लेके आने का. So for them, change is very important. कुछ नया गाना, नया advertising campaign करना, and the advertising companies make a lot of money out of that. Amul is very clear. Product बिक रहा है ना, लोगों को हमको पता है ना, right price है ना. At the same time, they don't take marketing and branding for granted either. Do you know the polka dot girl and that thing changes every week? And people look forward for it. पता है आपको? What a marketing campaign. It's gone into the Guinness Book of World Records for the largest running marketing campaign ever. Corporate world का हमारा example है, Indian example. And by the way, the marketing agency has never changed. पता है आपको? 50 साल. So they know what works, what is constant, and they also know what is changing. तो हर हफ्ता कुछ तो नया दो. कुछ तो नया polka dot. The latest one I saw, अभी किसी ने WhatsApp पे भेजा, वो ब्रिटेन वाला है ना, अभी हुआ. They broke off from EU. They've taken a joke out of that also. सचिन तेंदुलकर अगर रिटायर होता है वो भी करेगा, अमिताभ बच्चन को कुछ मिलता है वो भी करेगा, प्राइम मिनिस्टर. सो दे आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट ब्रांडिंग क्या है. मैं आपको थोड़ा मार्केटिंग के बारे में बताता हूं कि बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ यू आर वर्किंग विद इंडियन क्लाइंट्स. इज इट क्लियर? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड इंडियन माइंड फर्स्ट. यहां पे कस्टमर साइकोलॉजी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नो व्हेन आई वाज टीचिंग, उनका वहां पे दिस इज इन गुजरात, अहमदाबाद एंड ऑल, कुरियन साहब. They all built a great institution. So I sometimes go to teach there and deliver marketing lectures. But वहाँ पे जब भी मैं मार्केटिंग चाणक्य सिखाने देता हूँ, 4 चीज सीख के आता हूँ. So the Dairy Development Board of India, उनके साथ हम लोग काफी काम करते हैं. So मैंने एक व्यक्ति से पूछा and it was very insightful. मैं बोला कि अमूल बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स में डाइवर्सिफाइड है, पता है ना आपको? अमूल छाछ, अमूल दही, अमूल आइसक्रीम, this all those things. So, but there is one प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अमूल विच इज नॉट अ मार्केट लीडर. पता है? बाकी हर फील्ड में मार्केट लीडर्स. चॉकलेट्स. इंडिया में चॉकलेट नंबर 1 कौन सा है? डेयरी मिल्क, नेस्ले, ऑल दिस है ना. नए नए चॉकलेट्स भी आते हैं. एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली कैडबरीज का मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी देखना. हैव यू स्टर्न जो 5 रुपए 10 रुपए में मिलता था ना, वो सिल्क करके उसको मिनिमम 40 रुपीज कर दिया. देखा आपने? कुछ फर्क नहीं जाता, थोड़ा चेंज है. But Amul is nowhere in the market. And when we were kids, 20 years ago, they used to run a lot of ad campaigns. You remember that? A gift for someone you love. याद है? अभी तो चॉकलेट अमूल का कोई देते नहीं है. तो मैं बोला कि how come you are not market leaders? तो उन्होंने कुछ statistics बताया. With that statistics, Amul in the chocolate industry is very low, at number 7 or something like that. तो बोला बाकी लोग जो market leader है ना, it is because you have allowed them to be there. The day we decide we want to be a market leader, we can be number 1. तो ना ऐसा क्यों? अहमदाबाद में कोई भी जाते हैं, और all of us go to अहमदाबाद, right? एक देखिए, अमूल का कोई भी चॉकलेट प्रोडक्ट अनसोल्ड नहीं रहता. पता है आपको? If you go to Ahmedabad airport, there is an Amul का काउंटर. All chocolates get sold off on a daily basis. In fact, अब शाम हो जाओ तो आपको स्टॉक नहीं मिलेगा. वो क्या बोलते हैं? We are not into selling chocolates. We are basically a milk production company, out of which chocolate is one of the important things, isn't it? But not the most important. But the day we decide to make it important, we'll rule the world. जैसे they took a decision, a very very strategic decision, saying that we want to be market leaders in the ice cream business. Retail shops बना दिया. They killed walls. याद है आपको? And you know what they did? They understood their strength. They understood their customer strength. You know what was the branding they did? Very interesting case study. ज़्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं है. When they studied their customers, they understood इंडिया में प्राइसिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्रिटिकल है कि नहीं? आदमी 10 रुपए का लगे तो जल्दी ले लेते हैं. तो ओके, इंडिया में प्राइस क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस है, लेट्स पेनिट्रेट. पर उन्होंने एक चीज देखा, कॉम्पिटिटर के स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेसेस भी समझने जरूरी है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर अवेयर ऑफ इट? एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द आइसक्रीम्स आर नॉट मेड आउट ऑफ मिल्क. एग्जैक्टली, दे आर एक्चुअली वेजिटेबल ऑयल, फैट्स. बेसिकली इन वन वर्ड दे आर डालडा. कुछ नहीं बोला. उन्होंने एडवर्टाइजमेंट कैंपेन कैसे चलाया पता है? अमूल आइसक्रीम विथ रियल मिल्क. क्या बोला? रियल मिल्क. तो लोग सोचते हैं रियल मिल्क बोले क्या, बाकी जो है खा रहा रियल मिल्क नहीं है क्या? नहीं है, नहीं है. तो आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट ये है कस्टमर साइकोलॉजी. और वो अगेन मिस्टर सूद बता रहे थे, हमारे यहां पे ना द बिगेस्ट कॉम्पिटिटर ऑफ पेप्सी वर्सेस कोक, चलो थम्स अप पे डाल दो, कौन है पता है? अमूल छाछ. छाछ मिलेगा नहीं आपको, आपके बीवियों को पूछो. आप एक बताइए, इंडिया में अगर एक माँ अपने बेटे को स्कूल या कॉलेज देती है और उसको 100 रुपया देती है पॉकेट मनी, तो कभी ऐसा बोलते हैं बेटा प्यास लगे थक जाओगे तो पेप्सी कोक पी लेना? गांव गांव में बोलते हैं छाछ पीना, isn't it? बिली भी बोलता है आई हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट इंडियाज बिगेस्ट ड्रिंक इज अ मिल्क प्रोडक्ट. चाय में भी डालते हैं, छाछ में भी डालते हैं. दे कॉल डिफरेंट नेम्स अक्रॉस द कंट्री, दैट्स इट. बट अमूल छाछ इज सच अ प्रोडक्ट, दे सेड इफ यू डिसाइड ना, if we decide, we can clear up all the other products. And it's very healthy also, right? And by the way, 10 रुपए का पैकेट है. क्यों? मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूं एक बार कि अमूल has understood its customer base, it's understood the Indian mentality, Indian tradition. बोलता है यहाँ पे तो बेचने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. इंडिया में एक बार मिल्क शॉर्टेज हो गया, फिर भी लोग लाइन में खड़ा रह के ब्लैक करते थे. Isn't it true? अब तो with the white revolution and all those things, now इतना हो गया है कि we'll have to make it into various products. Amul is one example. The last Indian example I'll talk about customer and understanding. कितना भी बाहर का आ जाए, हम अपने कस्टमर को जानते हैं आपसे ज्यादा. It's a biscuit again which all of us know called Parle G. कितने का है Parle G?
2 रुपए से
2 रुपए का कॉइन भी आजकल आउट ऑफ सर्कुलेशन हो रहा है. 5 रुपया इतना बड़ा पूड़ा, पता आपको? एंड डू यू नो हाउ बिग द कंपनी इज ओनली ऑफ दैट वन प्रोडक्ट कॉल्ड पार्ले जी? 5000 करोड़. कितना? और किसी ने पूछा था अगर आप 5 का 10 कर दो तो कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा? ऑफ कोर्स कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. आज भिखारी को भी 10 रुपया देते ही है ना. पर हमको करना नहीं है. वी आर वेरी क्लियर दैट व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड पार्ले जी, वी ऑलवेज सेड इट हैज टू बी लोएस्ट कॉस्ट बिस्किट. अदर्स आर ट्राइंग टू मैच देयर कॉस्ट. Isn't it true? They are the benchmark. Amul bolo, yeah, even Parle G bolo, they're a fantastic example of understanding who their clients are, what their psychology is, what is their behavioral pattern. Doctors recommend कि patient को Parle G दो यार, है कि नहीं? Why am I telling you all these things, friends? आपके प्रोडक्ट कुछ भी हो, आपके सर्विसेज कुछ भी हो, दैट इज नॉट द फर्स्ट थिंग. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ योर कस्टमर इज थिंकिंग. उसका बिहेवियरल पैटर्न्स क्या, ये गूगल को समझ में आता है. अब मैं आपको एक इनसाइड बात बताता हूं. इंश्योरेंस की किसी ने बात की थी. देयर इज अ कंपनी कॉल्ड जेट एयरवेज. कितना साल हो गया? 23 years. जस्ट लास्ट मंथ कंप्लीटेड. कौन है चेयरमैन? नरेश गोयल. Okay, अभी तो चलो there are some people like Indigo and all those people coming in. Okay, मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ. In the insurance industry, ये जो प्लेन होता है ना, उसका भी इंश्योरेंस होता है ना? होता है कि नहीं होता है? वो नीचे गिर गया तो कुछ हुआ इंश्योरेंस. But there is a concept called reinsurance. You are aware of this? Yes. Insurance companies also want to get insured, ना? Jet Airways, they got more than I think कितना? They fly every day 600 फ्लाइट्स पर डे, ऐसा उनका स्टैटिस्टिक्स है. एंड हियर इज माय इनसाइट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. for so many years, instead of being such a global and a big company, they do reinsurance with only one company. Not that they don't have choice. And I know that person, बहुत simple सा बंदा है, global company है, वो बोलते हैं जेट एयरवेज कहीं जाएगा ही नहीं जब तक मैं जिंदा हूँ. He started with 10 planes. हमारे पास दे देना. Today 600 flights and they're still booking. But the reinsurance company is an Indian company. नहीं जाएगा. बोलता है मुझको पता है how Naresh Goyal thinks. मुझे पता है what is the comfort level that is required to work with Jet Airways. My thing is that are your customers comfortable with you? जब दर्द होता है तो आपको फोन आ गया. Okay? So let's look at the next point. Easy to protect. इतना कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि कुछ भी हो जाए अपना कस्टमर जाएगा नहीं. पेरेंट्स को ये कॉन्फिडेंस होता है अपने बच्चों पे, कितना भी चले जाओ वापस मेरे घर पे आएगा, है कि नहीं? आएगा ही, थोड़ा ट्राई करके आएगा. Sometimes your customer may go to other competitors and other people, isn't it? But if you have done your service very well, they'll come back to you because they don't have a better choice than you. But yes, they have a better choice than you, then आपका problem है, isn't it? देखिए, many years ago we had done a small strategy workshop with Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, and if you know, Mahindra has been in the automobile industry for so many years. कितने साल से रहे हैं? उनका क्या हुआ प्रॉब्लम कि lot of these multinational companies बड़े-बड़े गाड़ियाँ आने लग गई ना, and they started losing their market share. So we did an analysis, सारे statistics बैठे, एक दिन दो दिन हो गया. Then we realized कि now globalization is coming to India, we have to be ready for it, isn't it true? लेकिन the customer को एक बात आप समझ रहे हैं कि customer today has many choices, जो पहले नहीं था. एक महिंद्रा का गाड़ी, एक एम्बेसडर का गाड़ी, अभी दो में से चूज करो. Now we have to play the global game. So we said sometimes the customer may go to other people, right? They have a choice. But if that customer doesn't come back to you, then there is a problem. Going is not a problem, that's his choice and freedom. But if it doesn't come back to you, then there is some problem. And that time, Anand Mahindra said, ki, why do people go to the other side? Then we said, ki, they are giving world-class qualities, isn't it? And what a decision Mahindra had taken, some of the benchmark decisions in the automobile industry. He said, we'll invest our best futuristic budget into R&D. पता है आपको? And then they bought out so much of the vehicles. Even today they are coming out that Mahindra still continues to be a market leader and it's one of the very important market shares in the automobile sector. Look at what they have come out. Mahindra breakthrough in the global competition era was a vehicle called as Scorpio. Remember that? And I've been a part of the complete study and the team that launched Scorpio. Believe me, itna paisa dala tha. If Scorpio had failed, Mahindra would have gone. They put almost 500 people into that job to bring out that. And it was super success. And if you remember, who are the brand ambassadors of Scorpio? Isko pata nahi ho. It's a very subtle. The way they launched Scorpio is a case study by itself. Very silently they were working. You know who was the first brand ambassador of Scorpio? It was Ajay Devgan and Kajol. Yaad hai kisi ko? Nobody knew when it's going to be launched. One day suddenly you open the newspaper and Bombay Times mein ek picture dikhega. The first customer of Scorpio is Ajay Devgan and Kajol. Because they never got divorced in the film industry. At least abhi tak to. They say that positioning of Scorpio is a family car. And it is commitment. Isn't it? In India mein wo relation ka commitment ka काफी महत्व होता है. And you know what? I know this. That basically they called all the people and the families of the Scorpio team. और को बोला किसी को बताना नहीं कभी लॉन्च हो रहा है. The whole industry never knew when it's going to get launched because it was so critical for Scorpio to succeed and became a success. The second important thing they did was, which was again a breakthrough for the XUV. देखा है आपको? That was another benchmark. And then with those successes, they started diversifying even to scooters. Mahindra never were known for scooters. Rise करके है याद है आपको? Mahindra Rise and a lot of things. What I'm saying is that we need to invest on new products, services, which I'm sure all of you must be doing, but also spending and understanding how customers think. The last point, providing excellent means of livelihood. A good customer is the one who pays you, isn't it? If a customer doesn't pay you, he only gives you orders. Sorry. He should ensure that you have regular cash flows. देखिए हमारे सेल्स टीम जाते हैं ना सब जगह, ऑर्डर मिल गया, चेक नहीं मिला, नहीं, ऑर्डर विदाउट चेक इज नॉट ए ऑर्डर. लास्ट पॉइंट, केपेबल ऑफ बेयरिंग टैक्सेस एंड फाइन्स. देखिए अभी गवर्नमेंट का जीएसटी आएगा, वो आएगा, स्वच्छ भारत सेस आएगा, सब आएगा ही आएगा ना, हमारा कोई कंट्रोल है क्या? नहीं है. सी ही सेज दैट a praja, a citizen should be matured enough to understand taxation policy is going to change, no doubt about it. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप टैक्स देते रहो और फाइट मत करो, जरूरत पड़ा तो फाइट भी करो. But what I'm saying is that you should be able to convince your customers that it is important to factor in the taxes and fines which may change. So therefore every time yearly आप बैठते हो तो आपका प्रोडक्ट का प्राइसिंग भी रिवाइज करते हो ना. So never go down so much that you don't get your profit margins. At the same time, factor in a lot of unknown things that can come while making your pricing. Okay, now I am going to talk about a few strategies of how Chanakya advises the king to keep his Janapada with himself. है ना, अपना प्रजा है, दूसरे के पास क्यों जानेगा? So let's look at it. The first one he says, focus on markets that are cost effective. He should secure an undertaking requiring little expenditure and yielding large profit and get a special advantage. अगर आपको बिना ज्यादा मेहनत किए, बिना ज्यादा खर्चा किए अगर कस्टमर मिलता है और बहुत बड़ा ब्रांडिंग करके कस्टमर मिलता है, which will you the first option you will take? फर्स्ट वन ना. ये स्टार्टअप्स लोग का यही प्रॉब्लम है. They have to brand. They have to spend a lot of money. And then customer आते हैं, I'm not telling no. वो भी करने से customer आते हैं. But there is another one, spend less but get customers first. The traditional method. Isn't it? What is the problem with Flipkart now? So much expenditure, smaller expenditure, that somewhere it is getting a doubt whether is it a bubble that is going to burst. Isn't it true? एक बहुत अच्छा बंदा था, वो उसने ऐसा स्ट्रैटेजी ट्राई किया था इन द फील्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन. उसका नाम था अरिंदम चौधरी. याद है आपको? अरे व्हाट है मैन, सब तो बोले ये तो टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया का फर्स्ट पेज में, साउंड टॉकिंग अबाउट 7-10 years back. रिमेंबर दैट? डायरेक्ट, एंड ही हैड दिस बोल्डनेस टू टेल, थिंक बियॉन्ड IIMs. याद है आपको? मार्केटिंग क्या हो गया उसका? IIPM. By the way, IIPM is still there, huh? It is still there. But the idea is not कि आपको क्या करना है, धंधा चलाना है, अपने सर्विसेज देने, तो करो ना. But what I am saying is that always get a special advantage by having low cost marketing. Simple. But get a clients. पैसा है तो करो marketing. But the advantage is always when you spend low and get more clients, and spending high and getting few clients. You understand? And especially स्टार्टअप बिजनेसेस को मैं हमेशा सजेस्ट करता हूं, इफ यू हैव अ फंडर ठीक है, बट फंडर मिलने के बाद भी डोंट ओवर स्पेंड. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस. फंडर मिलने के बाद भी डोंट ओवर स्पेंड. दैट इज बैड मार्केटिंग, दैट इज बैड एटीट्यूड इटसेल्फ. देयर इज अ कंपनी कॉल्ड एज पेवर्स इंग्लैंड. सुना? what are they into? Shoes, premium shoes, very very premium shoes. आप एयरपोर्ट्स में सब देखोगे, सारे मोस्ट ऑफ द एयरपोर्ट्स इन इंडिया, बॉम्बे, दिल्ली, they have a small counter. Next time आप जाओगे तो Paywars England. I know the managing director, and if you go to the website Paywars England, it's a very interesting company, and I respect that managing director so much. उसका funding UK से आता है. That's why the name England. It's an Indian who is settled in UK. Okay, Paywars England. आपको पता है that man is not interested in the business at all. The funder है, पर उसका पैशन है कि इंडिया में एक ब्रांड बिल्ड करना है. बराबर है? मल्टी मिलियनियर, बिलियनियर बोल सकते हो उसको. So this guy who is a managing director, nice guy. तो वो आके बोला कि सर I am and globally traveled. He's actually done his international MBA. बहुत कुछ किया उसने. Very very smart guy. तो दोनों कहीं ने मिला. तो यूएस में है, लेकिन देश के लिए कुछ करना है, पैसा तो बहुत है, कुछ ब्रांड बिल्डिंग करना है, लेकिन ऐसा ब्रांड जो दिखे, all those things. So he said, okay, what are you interested in? तो बोला, I'm very interested in premium shoes. और ये जो बंदा था उसको भी अच्छा लगा. तो ठीक है. तो बोला कितना, लेकिन ब्रांड बिल्ड करना भैया, ऐसा नहीं कि छोटा मोटा करना है, तो अच्छा क्लासी. मतलब इंडिया में अगर कोई प्रीमियम शूज का नंबर 1 ब्रांड अगर होना चाहिए तो दैट शुड बी माय ब्रांड. दिस गाय वेंट एंड मेड सम प्लान्स, बिजनेस प्लान. तो ठीक है, आप कितना पैसा डाल सकते हो? आप डालो, जो आपने फिगर डालना डालो. 500 crores also is not a problem. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. He made a business plan and said, okay, I will have this particular brand across India, premium place, ये वो सब. Those who know Pavers England know. Those who don't know. ऐसा है वो. याद है आपको? The biggest guys always buy Pavers England. There is a branding there. हुआ क्या? देखिए. This guy got 800 crores day one. Day one. अरे इसने ये अपना बंदा इंडियन बंदा ने क्या किया होगा? खर्चा कर दिया ब्रांडिंग. आपने कभी भी पेवर्स इंग्लैंड का ऐड देखा है? They are cash positive day one क्योंकि साहब ने दे दिया है. Venture capital is unquestioned. हो तो जो करना है कर. You know what he did? And that's why I respect this man. जैसे उसको इतना करोड़ हाथ में आया, and no कुछ ना जो करने का टेलीविजन में ऐड डाल उधर डाल. He said, I want to now hire the first guy of my company not as a salesman but an intelligent CFO जो मेरे को कंट्रोल करे कि खर्चा मत करना भैया. So the first person he hired उसको बोला ये जो पैसा मिला है ना साहब से अपने को ट्रस्ट दिया है ना don't spend. So even if I get impulsive about spending तेरा काम मेरे को रोकना है. Imagine that is the strength of saying let's build a brand, not necessarily spend to build a brand. Very softly अच्छा company अच्छा चल रहा है. But what is very interesting about that man is that he actually, and this is the discussion we had, कि Dada, I have a problem. I don't know how to handle 800 crores. कभी किया ही नहीं ना. 800 crores का turnover हो सकता है, बराबर है? ये तो पहले से ही क्या करूँ? And you know what he did? He actually attended a course in Harvard. How to manage 800 crores का funds. Now this is where you have to understand, build a brand, have marketing, but the fine line where to spend, where not to spend. अगर आपके पास पैसा भी हो, okay? Try to spend small. तो है ना आजकल social media वो करो. I'm not telling no, but it should be thought through and then done. Next. Better to enter a market you know well than which requires research. Isn't it? In a case of two alternative routes, he should march in a region suitable to himself. अगर आपको अपने सेना लेके जानी है, एक तो आपको अपना एरिया पता है, उधर अपने आप जाओगे कि नए एरिया में जाओगे? So that's why a lot of people, what they do is that they don't want to enter into new markets. Existing market itself is big, isn't it? If your market is stagnated, then you can go to a different market. So let me ask you this thing, अगर आपने ये exercise नहीं किया है तो करो. Is your current market already saturated, or is there a scope of your company to expand in the current market? Saturation level आ गया है क्या आपके इंडस्ट्री में, आपके क्लाइंटल में? हाँ या नहीं? Sure. I mean, I want you to do a serious there. So there is a scope. उसी में बड़ा हो ना. 20-22 साल से एक ही लाइन में हो ना. Sometimes what happens, the saturation point comes. Then you have to go for new markets. For example, last 10 years, the mobile industry was growing. क्योंकि लोगों ने मोबाइल देखा ही नहीं है. तो Airtel, then you know what is that other company, Vodafone, देखा आपने? So they were more customer, more. फिर बोलते एक सिम पे एक सिम फ्री. याद है आपको? And suddenly what happened? That market is saturated. पता है आपको? सबके पास मोबाइल है यार. कितना जन को बेचोगे? 2 मोबाइल बेचोगे. या तो नहीं बेच सकते ना. You'll be surprised now. आप ध्यान दीजिए. India is the largest market in the world, but everybody has got a mobile. पहले क्या था 10 करोड़ के पास होगा, अभी 20 करोड़ के पास है, फिर धीरे-धीरे अभी 100 करोड़ लोगों के पास है. पुराना मोबाइल है तो भी है, isn't it? दादी माँ के पास भी एक है. They say, what do you offer next? Market तो capture कर लिया. Then they started focusing on something called as value-added services. And the biggest business for these companies are no more. It's no more about getting customers and clients. It's actually getting into services which probably is not offered by the others. And the biggest market, by the way, is all of us sitting over here, called SME sector. आपके पास आया Vodafone? आएगा. Because उनका क्या है? That's why they're not too much worried about अरे कॉल ड्रॉप हो रहा है, कॉल ड्रॉप होने देना है, हो गया, मार्केट तो कैप्चर कर लिया ना. I'm not against it. What I'm saying is that the strategy has changed completely. And even if they're doing branding, it's very subtle. किसको थोड़ा youth को capture कर लेंगे, but the cash flows is very different. I work with the Vodafone team, तो मुझे पता है कि they are giants, and they clearly know that 10 साल जो हमने brand build किया, अभी उनको कुछ नया दो. That's why I'm saying market captured. Can we give them 4G to 3G? Sorry, 3G to 4G and whatever. And one major game player in that market is already arrived. Jio. पता है आपको? What is Jio? Reliance. बेटी आ रही है मुकेश की. And I don't know whether you're aware of this, if you have talked to anybody, the testing is already done within Reliance. You know Reliance, guys? उनका जो जियो के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज इज अ कंपलसरी यूसेज फॉर द रिलायंस टीम. अब टॉप मैनेजमेंट से चालू कर दिया, दे रहे. यस, इट्स ऑलरेडी टेस्टेड. जैसे कि पहला घर पे जा रही, शी स्लो, ऑफ कोर्स राजा की बेटी है, क्या चल रही है, but the way they are going to get it technically correct, once they get, Jio is a very low brand, but it's going to become one of the biggest brand in the mobile and the internet space. A lot of services and all those things. Coming back to the question, is your market stagnated? Yes or no? No, then expand. If it is stagnant also, what is the next step you will do? Do you want to go to other markets? Or current clients को कुछ नया service दे रहे हो? But for that you should understand how the client thinks. उनका demand क्या है, उनका supply क्या है. He should establish contacts with forest chiefs, frontier chiefs, chief officials in the cities and the countryside. देखो, your marketing plan should be based on market information, isn't it? मुझे लगता है it should be verified by real sources. तो राजा क्या करता है? When he has to look at some activity to be done, he takes information from others. कौन कौन है देखिए, each of them is an influencer of the society. Forest chief, अभी वो तो राजधानी में बैठा हुआ है, हमारे जैसे हेड ऑफिस में बैठा है, बट वो जंगल का एक ट्राइबल राजा होता है. He understands all the tribal people, isn't it? तो उसका कॉन्टैक्ट रखता है, हाय हेलो कैसा है, सब ठीक है ना, इधर आओ उधर जाओ, हाउ इज इट. नेक्स्ट, फ्रंटियर चीफ्स, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. फ्रंटियर चीफ मतलब बॉर्डर किंगडम्स होते हैं ना, बॉर्डर विलेजेस, वहीं पे स्मगलिंग होता है, आना जाना, तो उनके साथ कांटेक्ट रखना. एंड चीफ ऑफिशियल्स इन द सिटीज एंड द कंट्री साइड, खुद के गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर्स के साथ रिलेशन रखना. दो टाइप के होते हैं, राजधानी में गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर है और जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट में और विलेजेस में है. He should establish contact. देखिए राजा क्या होता है कि people will not come to him, few of them will come, but he has to go there and understand what's happening, talk to them and all those things. You know, this is what I do in my life. I'm very clear. Is that जितना भी मुझे मौका मिलता है, I go and speak to the people in their place. I have a university, आप बुला भी सकते हो. No. यहाँ पे आके जा करता हूँ तो I know this. अभी बरोडा से आया, कल से मैं गोवा जा रहा हूँ. I like to go. Why? Because I get a chance of getting a reality check of what's happening in the industries. And you'll be surprised. I got so much insights of so many industries that probably your newspaper में भी तक आया नहीं. And I love this. And that is what probably even Modi likes to do. वहाँ जाके करता है, isn't it? बुलाता भी है, but he's continuous on the move. In the same way, how much time are you spending not to just market your product or not just to build relationship, but through this process of meeting and building relationship, get insights about what's happening around. और उस insights में आपका business success है. Keep traveling. एक example आपको बताता हूँ. We did a small work with a company, and many of you may be knowing, it's a very famous company in the transport industry, Indian industry. It's called V-Trans. V-Trans सुना आपने? Who is the chairman? Okay, so we know him. So Ashok Bhai Shah. Okay, 50 years हो गया. Now third generation is also entered. तो chairman Ashok Bhai होते 50 साल हो गया, कुछ तो करना है. Then we were discussing, okay, Ashok Bhai, तब एक काम करवाना. मतलब सो काम. वैसे देखो, 50 साल से हाँ पिताजी ने चालू किया था, फिर आप भी चालू किए, अभी आपके बच्चे भी आ गए MBA करके. Do one exercise. 50 साल you survived ना? Congratulations. आपका business growth की strategy क्या है? तो अशोक भाई बोले बिजनेस ग्रोथ की स्ट्रैटेजी, हाँ वो अभी नया टेक्निक्स है, वो है, बच्चे लोग हैं. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, आपको मैं एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल देता हूं. एक साल आप कमिट करो एज योर लास्ट कमिटमेंट टू द बिजनेस. मतलब अभी बच्चे तो ग्रो हो गए, देखो डालिए अपना संन्यास के मोड में है कि रिटायरमेंट मोड है, ठीक है. एक काम करो, एक साल, द होल ईयर यू गो एंड मीट ऑल योर एग्जिस्टिंग क्लाइंट्स और पास्ट क्लाइंट्स. आपने पूरा धंधा खड़ा किया ना लाइफ लॉन्ग, और अभी अब नेक्स्ट जनरेशन आ गए, तो उनको आइडिया अच्छा लगा. You know what he did? He made a list of right from the first clients to the current client. And 1 year he just went to everything. By the way, he's got more than 300 offices across India. सब जगह जाके बात किया. And then after that whole 1 year exercise, you know, he called me, Radha, thank you so much. क्या हो गया? Business double हो गया. Huh? Well, I went to thank them to establish contacts, isn't it? कभी-कभी क्या होता है? They get busy, you get busy, isn't it? तो हाँ धंधा चल रहा है, ऐसा automated system, isn't it? वो अपना मार्केटिंग टीम, उधर का ऑफिस, वो चल रहा है. बट एक बार सडनली ऐसा हेलो केम छो जयेश भाई मजा मा हाँ आ रहा हूँ आपको थैंक यू बोलने. वहां पे गए, अहमदाबाद में गए, उधर गए, थोड़ा वेस्ट बंगाल में गए, एंड देन इट सडनली हिट टू हिम समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. मैं तो ग्रो हो गया, बराबर है, बट आई रियलाइज दैट कस्टमर इज ऑल्सो ग्रोइंग. अगर आप ग्रो हो रहे हो तो आपका जो सामने वाला वो ग्रो नहीं होता क्या? बट देन आई रियलाइज समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इज दैट all that in the business that I got maybe 25 years ago, that I am not getting. That I am, for example, समझो 25 साल पहले 25 years ago I was able to get, let's say, वो माल करता था 10 ट्रक्स जाते थे और 10 ट्रक्स मुझे मिलता था, बराबर है. Now I'm getting 100 trucks, but actually उसका business is worth 1000 trucks. So अशोक भाई चलो ठीक है, one of the vendors. Remember that? So I realized it, I suddenly got an insight, because I was not in touch with them, I'm losing a major market share. तो बात करते रहे, हाँ आजकल क्या चल रहा है, आजकल इतने गवर्नमेंट के प्रोजेक्ट्स मिल गए, हमारा एक्सपोर्ट हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. और then he started checking with his office, ये बंदा इतना बड़ा हो रहा है, तुमको कितना मिलता है? इतना नहीं, उसके पास बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस है, जा. Just by establishing contacts, you can revive your business in a very major way. So can we do that exercise? आप लोग काफी सीनियर हो, जस्ट बैठो, एक चाय पे चर्चा. पर चाय पे चर्चा पे क्या आपको कस्टमर से मिलेगा आपको पता नहीं है. नेक्स्ट 3 action points and we'll be done for today. They should bring about the commencement of what is not done, the carrying out of what is commenced, the improvement of what is being carried out, and the excellence of the execution of orders in the case of works. Focus on satisfied customers and complete your current enquiries even before you go for new customers. देखिए, कहते हैं business is about 4 activities. Okay? इसमें आपके सारे business activity, sales activity आप डाल दो. The first one is they should bring about the commencement of what is not done. कुछ नया शुरुआत करो, शुरुआत ही नहीं की. Start something new. The carrying out of what is commenced. You know, sometimes what happens, आपने काम शुरू तो कर दिए लेकिन complete नहीं किया, है तो नहीं? पहला तो शुरुआत ही नहीं की, कुछ ना कुछ नया शुरुआत करो, लेकिन जो शुरुआत किया है उसको खत्म करो. देन इंप्रूवमेंट ऑफ व्हाट इज कैरिड आउट, खत्म हो गया लेकिन उसको क्वालिटेटिवली इंप्रूव करो. एंड द एक्सीलेंस ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ ऑर्डर्स, वही अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम आए तो इट शुड बी बेटर. एक एग्जांपल के साथ आपको समझाता हूं. एक गांव है, ओके, वहां पे रास्ता नहीं है, तो रास्ता बनाना है, यस और नो? तो इट इज कॉल्ड कमेंसमेंट ऑफ द वर्क, बराबर है. तो अगर वहां पे रास्ता नहीं है तो रास्ता खड़ा करना शुरुआत हुई, बराबर है. कभी कभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी चेंज हो जाती है ना, तो आधा रास्ता बना दिया, नया पार्टी चेंज हो गया, तो नया लीडर का काम क्या है? वो बंद करो नहीं, वो खत्म करो, पार्ट 2. सो व्हाट इज बीन स्टार्टेड यू हैव टू कंप्लीट. अभी देखिए, हम यहां पे बोलते हैं अगर उसी गांव में दूसरा रास्ता बनाना है, बराबर है, तो पहला रास्ता जो है ना उसको मेंटेन करो, isn't it? So what is he saying that improvement of what is being carried out, उसको मेंटेन करना जरूरत है. और नेक्स्ट जो है it has to have excellence. मतलब क्या कि समझो पहला रास्ता बनाने के लिए अपने को 6 महीना लगा और let's say 25 लाख रुपया लगा. I'm giving an example. Next time will you also take 6 months and 25 lakh rupees? No. यहां पे डुप्लीकेशन में it should be faster. क्या आप उसको 3 महीने में कर सकते हो 20 लाख रुपए में? So आपका माइंड ऐसा सोचिए, विद द करंट कस्टमर्स जो नहीं है उनको तो लेके ही आना है, जो करंट कस्टमर्स आ गए हैं उनके साथ आप बराबर कर रहे हो क्या? उसके बाद एवरी टाइम यू गिव अ सर्विस टू द कस्टमर, आर यू गिविंग समथिंग डिफरेंट, अ वाओ एक्सपीरियंस, एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम यू गिव इट टू द कस्टमर मोर वर्क इन लेस कॉस्ट. हाउ डू यू डू इट? इट्स अ वॉल्यूम गेम, आप देख सकते हो. द सेकंड पॉइंट, देखिए, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द एबिलिटी टू टेल नो टू ए कस्टमर. One doing whatever pleases him does not achieve anything. मुझे लगता है कि अच्छा कस्टमर है तो हाँ बोल दो. इंडिया में तो ना बोलने को तो आता ही नहीं हमको, isn't it? कोई ऑर्डर है, हाँ जी हो जाएगा. कैसे होएगा? प्लानिंग ही नहीं. So whoever pleases कि हाँ हो जाएगा, नहीं. कभी कभी एक स्टेप लो, सोचो, be ready to tell no to a customer who may not fulfill your requirement. देखिए, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, बिटवीन द कस्टमर एंड द किंग, जैसे कि राजा और जनपद में देयर हैज टू बी इक्वल रिस्पेक्ट. बट कभी इतना प्रेशर में मत जब जाना कि आप ना बोलो. कभी कभी इट इज बेटर टू लेट अ डील गो rather than suffering after the deal. Okay? So carefully choose your customers. And that's the last one. And those who are without relationships have to be necessarily maintained. Your customers, you're right, it's a very important part, but you have to also maintain. Therefore, maintain a good PR, CRM with your customers and be with them, in touch with them regularly. What are the average number of customers we have over here? Average number of customers? आपके कितने customers होंगे? 100? Anybody more than 100? 200? 5,000? 5,000 wale mein? So average, let's say 100, 200. Let me ask you this last question. How much, or rather what is the activity that you do regularly to be in touch with those 100 customers? Mails? Good morning WhatsApp messages?
Yeah, WhatsApp messages.
Yes. Mailers? But I'm telling you, usko kabhi granted mat lena. Even if it's 200, because you cannot service everybody 200, isn't it? Personally तो नहीं कर सकते. एक list बनाइए. This is one I do. 100 customers, make an ABC category. AB is basically your key customers who probably give you 80% of that business. You know? उनके साथ regularly touch, hi, hello, जाके मिलना कुछ ना कुछ वो करते रहो on a regular basis. B is basically okay, you know. C is, you know, not really required हो अपना sales team और बाकी service handle. No, but the Raja's duty is that even the 200 customer is equally important for you. So you should have some strategy for everybody, some strategy for the most important, and in between strategy for others. Last point मैं बोलता हूँ कि every particular owner of a company has to be a marketing guy, a sales guy, and a finance guy. That's it. ये आपका control में होना चाहिए. The day you start outsourcing your responsibility of marketing and sales to your people, खत्म. तो वो इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा, धंधा वो लेके जाएगा. होता है कि नहीं होता? Use your people, delegate your people, do everything. But the end of it, you need to be the first marketing person of this particular company. Simple. And finance का head आपको ही होना चाहिए. ये दो चीज पे आप control कर लो, you will control everything. Okay? So marketing is so important that it can't be delegated to the marketing department. Marketing and sales is so important that it can't be delegated to the marketing department. Finance is so important that it can't be given to the finance department. इसका मतलब है कि उनको देना नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. But you have to keep the checks and balances on a regular basis. Keep a track of two things. इसलिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ, if you don't have a system, and I'm done with that, if you don't have a system in place, make a system called review. Review पता है बिजनेस में क्या हो रहा है? और रिव्यू में चाणक्य क्या बोलता है? दो ही चीज को फोकस करना है एवरी रिव्यू मीटिंग. सपोज यू हैव अ क्वार्टरली मीट, मंथली मीट, वीकली मीट है. सेल्स का क्या हुआ, फाइनेंस का क्या हुआ, ये दो पॉइंट पे आपको अगर ट्रैक है ना, धंधा बिल्कुल चलेगा. It called a team, क्या हो रहा है सेल्स का, how many deals have been closed, how many new in the pipeline, what is the thing, and on the other side, what is the financial status. ये दो चीज हो गया ये. That's why चाणक्य says among the 7 pillars, we have seen 3, we'll see the others. To keep a track on the Janapada, what is going to happen, उनके मन में क्या चल रहा है, ये समझना, finance पे control करना, these are the 2 prime activities of a king. So marketing is very, very, very essential. Thank you so much. If time permits.
In the 4th century BC, Alexander rules more than half the known world. He is ruthless, determined, and deadly. He is Alexander the Great. In the 4th century BC, Alexander rules more than half the known world, but it's not enough. He wants more. Hungry to expand his empire, Alexander looks forward to his newest conquest, India. India at the time is divided into 16 regional kingdoms, each constantly fighting the other for dominance.
प्रश्न हिमालय से लेकर समुद्र पर्यंत सहस्त्रों योजन विस्तीर्ण भारत भूमि की रक्षा का है। यदि जनपदों के स्वामी होने के गर्व में भिन्न भिन्न जनपदों के शासक चूर रहे, तो वह दिन दूर नहीं जब विदेशी आक्रांता जनपदों को नष्ट कर अपना प्रभुत्व स्थापित कर लेंगे। अतः भारतवर्ष को अब एक राष्ट्र के रूप में संगठित होकर विदेशी आक्रांताओं का सामना करना पड़ेगा।
पर क्या भारत को पराक्रांत करने का सामर्थ्य अलग क्षेत्र में है?
यदि अखंड भारत ने अलग क्षेत्र की चुनौती को स्वीकार किया तो यह असंभव है। पर यदि खंड खंड में बटे जनपदों ने अकेले हाथों अलग क्षेत्र को ललकारने का प्रयास किया तो यह संभव है। गणराज्य या साम्राज्य की सुरक्षा से पहले आज प्रश्न राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा का है, उस राष्ट्र की जिसके गणराज्य भी अविभाज्य अंग है। अब तय कह वो करो, मगध व मालवा को साथ साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर भारत की सीमाओं की रक्षा करनी होगी।
आचार्य, तक्षशिला की सीमाओं की रक्षा करने का उत्तरदायित्व हमारा कैसे हो सकता है?
ये सीमाएं आपकी अपनी हैं।
पर तक्षशिला की राजनीति से गणराज्यों का क्या संबंध आचार्य?
हिमालय से लेकर समुद्र पर्यंत भारत एक है। उसकी पग पग भूमि हमारी अपनी भूमि है।
पर उस पर हमारा अधिकार तो नहीं है, न हम उससे लाभान्वित होते हैं।
यदि कोई आपके मस्तक पर आघात करे तो क्या आपके हाथ नहीं उठेंगे? क्या आपके मस्तक की रक्षा के लिए आपके चरण गतिमान नहीं होंगे? क्या आपकी बुद्धि आपकी रक्षा का प्रयास नहीं करेगी?
अवश्य करेगी।
आप उसी राष्ट्र के अंदर जिसका विशाल व तक्षशिला मस्तक है मुख्य।
तुमने भीतर आने का दुस्साहस कैसे किया ब्राह्मण?
आपसे प्रार्थना करने आया महाराज। अलक्षेत्र नामक एक अगर युद्ध मिस्र व पार्स के साम्राज्य को उखाड़ कर भारत की ओर बढ़ रहा है। तक्षशिला से उसकी संधि भी हो चुकी है। लक्षावधि लोगों के जीवन की रक्षा के लिए, राष्ट्र की रक्षा के लिए, भारत की रक्षा के लिए मैं आपसे सैनिक सहायता की भिक्षा मांगता हूं। धर्म के पास और भी काम है मूर्ख। मगध के स्वामी होने का गर्व है तुम्हें, पर विशाल भारत की सीमाओं के रक्षक होने का गर्व करना नहीं चाहते। मगध सम्राट भारत की मिट्टी चंदन है, इसे अपने माथे पर लगाओगे तो हर भारतीय तुम्हें अपने हृदय का सम्राट बनाएगा। भारत की सीमाएं तुम्हें पुकार रही है धनानंद।
क्षुद्र गणराज्य मालव गणराज्य के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर यवनों का सामना करने के लिए वचनबद्ध होता है मालव गणमुक्त। शीघ्र ही क्षुद्र गणराज्य का सैन्य बल मालव गणराज्य में पहुंच जाए। क्षुद्र मालव गणराज्य ने सम्मिलित रूप से यवनों के संभावित आक्रमण का प्रत्युत्तर देने का निर्णय किया है।
With his victory at Hydaspes, Alexander the Great has taken his first step across the Indian frontier, but it is also his last. As he advances deeper into India, several states set aside their own rivalries and now stand united against the invader. At the next battle site, Alexander is confronted by 300,000 Indian troops. By now, Alexander's men can see that their leader's quest has turned into a suicide mission. They've been fighting long and hard, and mutiny is in the air. Alexander, always attuned to his men, ultimately surrenders to the will of his troops and heads south, returning to Babylon in modern-day Iraq. But his eastern adventure may have cost him his life.
हम लोग यूनाइटेड ही है ना. So never get afraid of the big one coming. The idea is that can you be united? And चाणक्य was a strategic person कि कितना भी बड़ा हो, कोई भी आ जाए, पुलिस भी आ जाए, डरो नहीं. अपने दोस्त को फोन कॉल करो, मित्र. Thank you so much. That's for the day. Thank you.
Quite an excellent, quite an insightful session. Now we are coming up with another exciting session. That is Lucky Draw. So can I request you please choose one of the winners?
What is the
Guys, this is early bird prize. This is early bird prize.
Vinesh Alwani. Congratulations. Give a big hand, yeah?
In fact, he's quite a lucky chap because even once he got, you have received this, right?
No.
Okay.
ये कौन सा next वाला? All three, okay. S. बाकी सब eliminated. H. R. E. Shrenik Jain. Accepted?
नहीं.
From Trend Division.
नहीं. We don't allow proxies actually.
Okay. बोल देना उनको. Okay. So we have another one. चलो देखते हैं. Y-O. योगेश. मात्र.
योगेश तीसरी बार.
अरे वाह.
मल्ले को मिले कि नहीं गिन के 10
Last.
वही आ जाए.
ये अभी बाकी है. एक बाकी है.
MANI मनीष संघराज.
अपना ही सेटिंग हुआ.
Incidentally, Manish was here at 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock.
आइए आइए.
कस्टमर ने टांग दिया इधर.
अभी रात में आ जाएगा हम लोग.
रोज थोड़ा
So friends, dinner is ready.